Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usman Chaudhary, and in this video I am going to make the drawings for this model gravity flow hydro turbine. First of all, click on file and select new, and then select drawings and press OK. Here are few standard sheet sizes, or you can also select the custom sheet size from here. For this time I am going to make the drawing on standard A4 sheet size. So select A4 sheet size and press OK button. You can import your models for drawings by clicking on browse button or by clicking on the turbine assembly. Now drag your model to anywhere in the sheet and press OK button. Now click on this model and select any view orientation from here. Now scroll down and change the shade of the model from here. Scale your model from here. You can also drag your model. To rotate the view of your model, select the model and then select rotate view. Now drag the mouse to rotate it. Now press close button. Now it's time to add balloons to your model. From annotation tab, select balloons. Here are few options for balloons. The text type. If you select circular, the text will appear in a circle. I am selecting none. Here is the option for text, the text type. If you want to write the file name, automatically select file name or quantity or anything from these options. I am selecting file name. Click on any part to link the balloon with it. The file name will be automatically shown. If you want to change the text of balloon, click on that text and in the option bar scroll down and select the text instead of file name. If you want to edit or add any text in the sheet format, right click on the sheet and select Edit Sheet Format. Double click on the text that you want to edit. Or double click on any empty box to add text. Now I am going to show you how to add bill of materials table. For that, click on this arrow below the tables button and select bill of material. Now select the model. Choose your desired settings from here and then press OK button to generate bill of material table automatically. Place this table anywhere in the sheet. You can also change the size for this table. Click and drag the table to change the size of table. To add text in the empty boxes, double click on that box and select break link. Right click on the table and delete it if you want to delete. To add another drawing sheet, click on this button. Open your solid model. Select any part for which you want to make drawings and then select Open button. Now go to Drawings model. In the View Layout tab, select Model View and then double click on the runner. and import it in the drawing sheet. Now I am going to show you how to create a section view. For this you need to open something like pulley. Open it in the SolidWorks drawings. Place it somewhere outside the drawing sheet. Now in the view layout tab, select section view button. These arrows and lines specify the area from where the part will be broken. I am selecting the center. Click here. Now press OK button. A section view has been generated. Place it in the drawing sheet. Press OK button. Now select the section view. Scroll down from option bar and scale up. To generate automatic dimensions, click on Annotation tab and select Model Atoms. Now select the atom for which you want to generate automatic dimensions and press OK button. Rearrange the dimensions. Now add a text for sheet format. To add any additional text in the Annotation tab, click on Note button. Now click on the screen to start text. You can change the font size and shape from here. To link the text with specific area or part of a model, again select Note and then drag the mouse on that area to link it with the text. If you want to change the font, arrows or lines for dimension, select that dimension and change it from these options. From value you can change the text, from leaders you can change the arrow or lines, and from others you can change the text shape or font size. If you want to add text instead of dimension, select that dimension and scroll down from value tab and delete these codes and write your own text. Thank you very much for watching and sparing time for this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for more.